Here's a quick review on the Spigen Slim Armor Pro case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now this one's a little pricey. I think I paid like $90 for this one, but this one has the hinge on here that's going to be like covered. And this one here is you can see hybrid polymer technology, and there's air cushion technology as well. Okay. Also, really quickly, you have like extra adhesive here, which you don't really need. Basically, I mean, you already have adhesive already all on here, but if you keep pulling it out and taking it off, eventually you're probably going to have to use another one, okay, to replace it. So this is just basically backup, all right? So, and then you can see the case here. You have this like extra cushioning here as well, and it's definitely quality. It's not like hard plastic. It's kind of like soft plastic. You got the hinge here. So what we're gonna do is put this on. So first thing is I'm gonna go ahead and pop this side on first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in there, just like that. You can see how that is. Now this part here, like I said, you have like a adhesive here. So what we're gonna do is take all these little sticky things off. And there's a whole bunch of them too. And you definitely need this adhesive too, because if not, this side piece will keep sliding out. Let me get that bottom one there. Oop, another one here. Look at this, another one on top. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on this side now. So we're going to put that in here. Go ahead and pop that up. Now once you put this side in, what you want to do is make sure you press it all over, okay? Get that adhesive to stick. And there you go, okay? So you can go ahead and open that up just like that, and you see how the hinges, the covering here, you can see. They have a lot of other cases where there's no hinge here, so this is like totally like exposed. You can see the volume rockers and the power buttons exposed here. I kind of like that. I have another cheaper one, and it's like only the volume buttons are covered but not the power button, and it's hard to you know, restart and whatnot. It's better for me to have these like actually open. It's just easier to use the buttons, and all the cutouts are perfect. You know, speaker, mic, charging port. You can see all the holes up there as well. The only thing is, you can't lay it, when you lay it like flat, I mean, because of that hinge, it's going to be a little rocky, as you can see there. Okay, but overall, I think it seems like a pretty good quality case. The lip is raised too, all on the sides here. So basically, you know, on a flat surface, you're not going to scrape your screen. And even the same thing on here, these are all slightly raised above the screen as well. So you can not worry about scratching your screen up. Camera cutout is perfect on here, and yeah, there you go. It does make it a little bit bulky, but the phone is already bulky itself, and it is definitely feels a little bit heavier. But for me, I just feel like it's just more peace of mind. So there you guys go.